Hey, so I thought I'd do a unboxing of my new Apple keyboard. This is the USB version because I wanted a Numpad and I wanted to be able to plug my Logitech MX Revolution mouse into it. So I figured this was the best choice for me. So as you can see, it has a USB port on either side. Let's get this open right here. Go over this. Look at that. That's nice. So it's got the keyboard and USB extender cable. That might come in handy. And manual. That's all that's in the box. So, keyboard, which is, I don't know, looks fair size. All your standard keys, arrow keys over here, and Numpad, of course. It's really nice to have these because it has a separate return and enter key, unlike the MacBooks and MacBook Pros, which have a enter/return key right here. So yeah, I'll probably have a review coming up with this in a couple weeks. So let me get the strapper now. So it looks like it's gonna be fairly easy to type on this. It's a lot heavier than I thought it would be though, since it's solid aluminum. But it shouldn't really matter since it'll be sitting on my desk. I also recently ordered the X Stand Pro by Just Mobile. So I ordered this so I could use that with my MX Revolution and a keyboard. So it looks less strain on my back. So I could just look straight up at it. So here's the keyboard. USB port, and once again, this plugs in through USB. Alright, thanks for watching.